GT Lit Gang? It's your girl Glamoroustayeee, and you are watching another video with Keeping Up with Taye. Period. Alright, so as you guys can see in the thumbnail, I will be doing an unboxing on the Emply water flosser. Now, y'all know I already have a water flosser already from when I already did my, I think I did my nightly routine. And if you guys have not watched that video, I will be posting it in the link above. But hold on, y'all, let me get this crust out my eyes. Anyways, so yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing with Emply water flosser. This company is super duper duper professional, very fast customer service, very fast shipping. Because y'all already know I like to work with people that has good reviews, great reviews, of course. I need to know, you know, if it's gonna be worth it or not. So today's video, I'm about to be doing an unboxing, and I'm about to show you guys how to use it. I don't know if some of you guys floss, but I never really used to floss before I got my veneers done. But since I've gotten my veneers done, I have taken that extra step into flossing because I feel like it's very important. Plus, when I had my braces in, y'all, when food gets stuck in them things, you don't have no choice but to floss. You floss, okay? So, what this one is, I used to take, you know, the one that I had, I used to take it with me everywhere I go. And I used to just put some water in it and things. I'm going to show you guys how it works. But you just really just take it everywhere you go at. Or you can keep it at home. Depends. But I am going to be taking this everywhere I go. So this one is going to be my mobile one. So I'll be taking this to work. I'll be taking it everywhere with me. I just stick it in my purse and boom. Go to the restroom. And I, you know, water floss my teeth. Because baby, when you get stuff in your teeth and you got people around you that don't tell you, baby, that's a whole nother problem. Because while they're around you, not telling you got something in your teeth, even you can feel it though. You seriously can feel it. But anyway, let's get into this video. And yeah, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notifications so you will be notified. You will be notified whenever I am posting my next video. So yeah, make sure you guys spam the comments. I also post a link in the description on where I got it from. But trust me, you guys are going to want to invest in this because it's very important for your hygiene as well. Like, stop walking around with stuff all in between your teeth, and that's nasty. It's very, very nasty. So we're about to get into this video once again. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Period.
And make sure y'all smash that like button.
Period. Y'all heard GGG. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Because, and for the people that's already supporting me, for the ones that's already familiar and already subscribed to the GT Lit Gang, then thank y'all. For real. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you. Every last one of you. Alright, so once again, I'm gonna say it over again. We're about to get into this video. So stay. Alright guys, so this is the Emply Simply Refreshing Smart Water Flosser. Right here. I'm about to start opening. I'm just going to read on what it has. It says it's a 2000 mAh battery, 200 ml water tank, type C charging, and low noise. So it's little to no noise. You don't hear much of it, so you don't have to worry about it. And it's kid friendly. Period. So your kids can use it too. Alright, so let's get to this video. Let's go ahead and open it. Hold on. It's not him giving me another. Oh, alright. So let's open this thing. Yeah, so this is what it is. It looks really nice. It's actually black. And yeah. Alright, so let's get this thing open. Oh. Open sesame. Oh yeah, we about to fight. Alright, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Alright, so off with the... Alright, so let's start off with the charger that it uses. Oh, this looks like a regular Android charger, y'all.
Ooh, yep.
So this is the charger that it uses.
Okay.
And then this is the part that goes into the thing. And then we have, whoa. Okay, so now we're about to get into, okay, so this is the most important part of the flosser, because this is the part that you're going to, this is going to be the thing where you just, it's gonna, you know, clean out all of the extra food and stuff that's in your mouth. And I don't want, and this, the other ones are the same exact thing. I just don't want to open it until I'm getting ready to use it. But they're all the same. They're basically all the same as this one. But I'm not going to open it because oh, that's lit. Period. Alright, so now we're about to get into
the thing.
The actual
Wow, it's big.
itself. And this is the size of it.
That is big.
This is the size. This is how it's look. And let's see if it turns on. Oh, it turns on. Period. Alright, so let's see. Alright. So yeah, it turns on, and of course, I don't know, I guess it's charged because you see the green battery is full, so it's fully charged. And yeah, so let's figure out how we're going to do this. Ooh, nice. Alright, so let's unscrew it. I mean, not unscrew it, but we're gonna unlock it so we can take it out. Actually, this is a... Okay, so this is where you will let the water out from here. And then you will close it back. Right now, let's try it. Let's put some water in it. So I don't want to fill it up too much. Alright. Now, it also has the lock on it. So, where did I see the lock thing at? Oh, right here. So right here is unlocked and right here is locked. So once I put it on, now I'm going to twist it. Actually, I gotta do it the other way. Booyah! It locked. And then now I'm going to get this mess up. Then I'll be right back with you guys. First, I need to brush my teeth first. Let me brush my teeth first. Then I'll be back. Let's try it now. Press the on once again. Lord, how do you do this? I don't want to splash. Oh! Alright, so. quite powerful. 10 out of 10. They could just put the rest of those pancakes out my teeth. Yeah. Let me see if I can turn it down a little bit so that I can show you guys how to do it. Oh, this thing is everywhere. Listen, I don't think it's gonna work because it splashes everywhere. So the thing is, I'm trying to show you guys how to go about with doing it, but the water is splashing everywhere. So I just show you guys without it being on. So you're just going to go up, 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 until you go all the way around. Then you're going to go up, 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 and so on. So you're basically just going around in a circle. Once again, you're just gonna go like this, and it's going to get, the water is so powerful, it's going to get all of the extra food that's in it is gonna just come out. And then you're gonna do the bottom the same exact way. So once you do that, you're just going to keep going, and so on. So far I give this thing a 10 out of 10. I really do have to test it out more to see, you know, how long it's going to last and things of that nature. But so far I give this company a 10 out of 10. It's, like I said, it can fit in my purse, so I'll just be taking it everywhere I go at. So whenever I eat, I can just go and floss out my teeth with the water and always keep my teeth fresh and clean. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that bell on so that you will be notified when I am posting my next video. Duh. And if you are a company and want me to do promo for your products, you can always email me or hit me up in my DM on Instagram. But I prefer the professional way in emailing me, of course. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.